Watching this because your Roblox account just got hacked, stop and follow along right now. The next few minutes matter more than anything else you could be doing. I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do in the right order to lock the hacker out and protect whatever Robux and items you have left. The problem: why Roblox accounts get hacked. Most Roblox account theft happens one of a few ways: a phishing link promising free Robux that actually steals your login, a password reused from another site that leaked elsewhere, or a fake free item or free executor generator that asks you to log in through a page that isn't actually Roblox. Understanding which one happened to you helps you close the right hole, not just the account itself. So let's go through the actual recovery process. Step 1. Change your password immediately. First, if you can still log in, go to your account settings, then security, and change your password right now to something new and unique that you haven't used anywhere else. This is the fastest way to cut off continued access, since most active sessions get kicked the moment the password changes. Step 2. Log out all sessions and check linked devices. Next, in security settings, look for the option to log out of all other sessions or devices and use it. This removes the hacker's access immediately, even if they still had an active session open. While you're there, check any linked accounts or connected apps, like linked email or third-party sign-in options, and remove anything you don't recognize. Step 3. Enable two-step verification. Now turn on two-step verification if it isn't already enabled, using either your email or an authenticator app. This is the single biggest thing that prevents this from happening again. Even if a password leaks in the future, a hacker still can't get in without the second verification step tied to something only you have. Step 4. Check for damage, trades, purchases, Robux. Once your account is secured, check your trade history, transaction history, and Robux balance for anything you didn't authorize. Hacked accounts often get drained through quick trades or unauthorized purchases before the owner notices. Screenshot anything suspicious now, since you'll need this if you end up filing a support ticket. Step 5. Contact Roblox Support if locked out. If the hacker already changed your password, email, or added their own two-step verification, and you can't get back in, go to Roblox's official support site and submit an account recovery request. Have your original account details ready: the email or phone number it was registered with, your username, and roughly when you created the account, since verifying ownership is part of the process. Submit this as early as possible, since recovery can take time. Prevention going forward. Going forward, never reuse passwords across sites, never enter your Roblox login on any site that isn't Roblox.com, and keep two-step verification on permanently. Most Roblox account theft comes from a moment of not checking a link carefully, not from anything sophisticated. If you're dealing with this right now and want help walking through any of these steps, come into the OBX Discord, links below.